Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube for Android, so you can keep watching videos while using other apps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. In the top right corner, tap on the three dots and select Special Access. Then, scroll down until you find Picture-in-Picture and tap on it. Now, look for YouTube in the list and make sure it is enabled. Next, open the YouTube app and you should be able to watch videos in the background. If it is still not working, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, press the settings icon, scroll down and look for Playback. Here, you should see the picture-in-picture option. Make sure it is enabled. In my case, it was already activated with the first step. And that's it. Now you know how to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube for Android.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.